Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company merch. Clear shampoo sachet. Ito po sila. Meron tayong Clear Men Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, Taurine plus Triple Anti-Dandruff Technology. Long lasting po siya. Nasa 12 ml po siya. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, mga small grocery stores, and most grocery stores. Available po yan yung Clear Men Sachet. Ayan. Next, meron din tayong for girls, Clear Anti-Dandruff Scalp Care Shampoo, Vitamin B3 plus Triple Anti-Dandruff Technology. Available po siya sa 30 ml. Yan, giniliver po yan. Yan. Yung Clear Shampoo Sachet. Next, meron din tayong Clear Anti-Dandruff Scalp Care Shampoo, Vitamin B3 plus Triple Anti-Dandruff Technology. Available po siya sa 10 ml. Yan. Next, meron din tayong Clear Botanic Scalp Care Shampoo, 5 essential oils, 100% natural, lavender, rosemary, bergamot, grapefruit, and tea tree essential oils. Available po siya sa 10 ml. Unilever po yan. Available lahat po yan sa mga malls, grocery stores, small stores, mga malls, grocery stores. So that's it for today's Unilever company merch video. Clear shampoo sachet. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever company merch videos. Respect. Always rise, never give up. Thank you for watching.